Here is an iPhone 11 Pro that came in for power and charging issue. The device is seriously broken and cracked. So we begin with the power test using our DC power supply. Then, we realize that there is a high current draw after the first click. Then we proceed to check the faulty component under the thermal camera. Then we realized it is the Hydra IC, causing the high current draw on power test. Then we proceed to the desoldering of the faulty Hydra IC using one of our heat control techniques known as indirect heat transfer. Because of the closeness to the CPU, with this our technique, the CPU is safe and other surrounding components are also not affected. We flattened the pads and cleaned it up with our PCB cleaner. Then we proceed to the preparation of another working Hydra IC taken from a donor board. We also flattened the pads of the IC and cleaned it up. Then we reballed it with high degree Celsius of soldering paste. Do you know why? Our students can relate to that. When you register for our training, T-Active Microsoldering Academy, resistance, logic, and heat control are among the courses you will be taught theoretically and practically. This Hydra IC is the USB IC chip controller for both accessories and charging function of this device. That is the reason why the phone is neither charging nor turning on. At T-Active Microsoldering Technology, we don't do blind repair. It is about diagnosis before troubleshooting process. The power test is now drawing the normal 130 mA for this series of iPhone. The troubleshooting process is successfully concluded. Then we move to the sandwiching process. As the device is double layer board, we need to apply flux round the interposer for the efficiency of the sandwiching, while also observing heat control procedures. This iPhone 11 Pro power and charging issue is successfully fixed.